Okay, so we've got David's got a good question. He says, how can I get my motor to build heat on X85? I've installed a thermostat, no fan shroud, serpentine pulleys, and a 4-blade fan. Can't get any heat in, a lot of time pulling on the track at 140 to 160.
Get rid of the 4-blade fan, go to a 2-blade fan would be the first thing to do. And then, the thermostat is definitely, I'm not a big fan of them, but I think we're leaning in that direction to go towards thermostats. So, we've got a part number on a Stewart. I'll actually give it to you.
Okay.
Because then you can sell them on the site, because I think it's going to be, we're going to crash test Demian on my kid's car. But I think that'll be the thermostat one.
Well, you've been pretty anti-thermostat for a long time.
I have, and I'm not a big fan of them just because it's another failure point. But I think that the quality of these, I think they won't fail.
Yeah.
And they got built-in bypasses to them and everything else. So.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, I mean, get rid of the 4-blade fan, go to 2-blade. That's the first, and then shrink the size of it. So if you're running a 4-blade 19-inch right now, go to a 2-blade 17-inch.
Yeah.
Which is what we run on my son's car.
Mm-hmm.
And we run that year round. So, I mean, that cools it in the winter, wintertime, obviously we're leaning towards the thermostat thing, but, summertime, I mean, hell, it cools it just fine.
That'd be good.